Hello everyone. In this short video, I would like to explain how to create student registration form using Google Form. Suppose in a class of 60 students, I want basic details of all these required fields. So without any delay, how to create this student registration form using Google Form. Let me open Google Form. As already I have signed into my Gmail account, just go to Google Apps, just scroll down. At the bottom, you will find Google Forms. Now I want a blank Google form. Just you click here. By default, you will find untitled form. You need to give the name. Here, the name is student registration form. Just you rename it student registration form. Here you can see untitled form. Just you single click. Just you click here. The same name will be reflected here. Okay, right now you need to give one by one. So here these are all the required fields: name of the student, father's name, and so on. Here untitled question. What is the first question? First question in the sense first field, name of the student. Just you click here, name of the student. Name of the student. So by default it is a short answer. Name of the student is compulsory. So you enable this option. Add question. Just take the cursor to here. You will find add question. Just you click. Automatically it will go to the next question. What is the next question? Father's name. Enter father's name. It is also a short answer question. It is also a mandatory. Go to the next question. Hall ticket number. Hall ticket number. Remember here there are numbers as well as characters. So I'm keeping short answer as it is because this short answer supports both characters as well as the numbers. So I'm keeping as it is. Next question is branch. What is branch? So what are the branches? You can keep, it is a multiple choice question. So let me give civil, electrical, mechanical, ECE and CSE. If you want any other branches which you are interested, you can include. Mandatory. Go to the next question. Next question is gender. Right? Gender means you can write. Even if you want, you can write multiple choice, or I'm interested to put drop down. So it is male, and it is female, and it is others. If you want, you can write others as well. That's your choice. Go to the next question. So here it is a mobile number. Mobile number. Remember, mobile number means it consists of only digits, right? So keep short answer as it is, but I want to give some conditions. So response validation. So by default it is number, but here you change the greater than into a is number. Here, what is this custom error text? If you want to write any warnings, you can write here. So please enter numbers only. So this is a warning. I want to give it to the participants, whoever wants to fill the Google form. So this is a warning. Okay, next date of birth. Date of birth. Okay, date of birth. The moment I enter date of birth, automatically it is changed to date. Okay, that is the right one. Go to next question. Email ID. Right? So email ID. This is also important thing. Email ID. So remember, it is a short answer. I want to give some additional constraint here. Condition. So for that, change the number into text, greater than into Here email ID. This is very important because I want a specified email IDs only. So if you want to give any warning to the participants, you can write, please specify correct email ID. So this is a warning. Okay. Right. So this is required. And finally, address. Okay. Address. Right. Address. So if it is a small address or 3 or 4 lines, short answer. If it is big, you can write the paragraph. Okay. You can keep as it is. Now you can see all the fields we have entered. Now the Google form is ready with all our required fields. Now I want to see how this Google form. Just for that, you click the preview. Preview means you can see your Google form. You can cross verify whether it is right or wrong. Okay. So name of the student means Rajesh Babu. Father's name is Vijay. Hall ticket number is, as already I mentioned, it supports both the characters as well as the numbers. You can see. So that is the one, and the branch is CSC. You can write any, you can choose anything. Gender is male, right? Mobile number is 1234. Now you can see I want to give A. You can see the moment I entered A, it is giving the warning. Please enter numbers only. Okay. 5, 6. Again, I want to give some N. You can see the moment I entered N, again it is coming the error. So that is the way. Because while creating the Google form, we have clearly given the condition there, right? 7, 8, 9. Here the interesting thing is it supports any digits here. You can see 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 like this. Suppose you want only 10 digits. That is also possible by giving the condition at the registration form. Okay. Next date of birth is okay. You can write 07/1995. Okay. Email ID. Okay. Here the interesting thing abc.com. You can see, is it the right Gmail ID? You can see no. Please specify the correct email ID because already we have given the warning at the time of creating the Google form. So let me write abc@gmail. Suppose I will give abc@gmail. You can see again it is coming. Please specify the correct Gmail ID. Let me write com. You can see now it is okay, satisfied. Address, you can give address whatever you wish. You can write Vijayawada. Now I have given complete fields. Now I have entered the right data. Now we can submit. The moment you submit, you can see the student registration form. Now the responses is 1. What is 1? Responses 1 means only one student or one participant have filled the Google form. Now I want to know who is this student. So click the responses. You can see the details of that participant. So Rajesh Babu, father's name is Vijay. So this is the thing. Suppose let us assume the responses are 100. It's difficult to see all the 100 responses by simply scrolling down. For that, what we have to do? Just you go here. There is an option called download responses. One zip file will be open. You can see it at the bottom. Just click. Okay. Then close. Just you double click. One CSV file like Excel file will be open. You can see the interesting thing. Timestamp will be coming. What is timestamp here? Once you look at the screen carefully, here timestamp. Timestamp means at what time that name of the student Rajesh Babu filled this Google form. So 11:23 p.m. So at 11:23, this Rajesh Babu have filled the Google form, and these are all the details: name of the student, father's name, hall ticket number, branch, everything we can able to see their details. So this is only one student. Suppose 100 students have filled the Google form. So 100 names will be coming here. Like this, we can able to generate complete details of selected students. Okay, now the finally, how to send this Google form link to your students. For that, go to here. There is a at the on the top there is a send option. Just click the send here. You can see, just you click this link and you will find there is a big link here. Now I want to shorten the link. For that, you click the shorten URL. Now you can see the link is shortened. Just you copy. You can see at the bottom, copy to clipboard. Now you can open. Already the link has been copied. Just you enter Control V. Just enter. You can see the same student registration form has opened. So by this way, you can send this student registration form to any students. You can use